Hello guys, how are you? This is Rizwan and you are watching Rizwan Maksud. Yes guys, today we will learn how to make Nescafe Classic 3 in 1, and you can see this one I have in my hand. Okay, let us start. 3 in 1, it means 3 in 1: coffee, milk and sugar. And this is Nescafe Classic, and today we will know that how to make Nescafe Classic. Okay guys, you can take 1 cup of hot water. Even you can boil this water or in oven. I'm always using oven, and as you like. Okay, then we have Nescafe Classic. Sorry. Okay, then we will use like this. Okay. Guys, you can see this one, but I'm using more sugar and more milk, so that's why I will add little more sugar. I'm using this brown sugar. I love brown sugar, so I will add 1 teaspoon more because I love sugar, and it's depend on you how much you want. Otherwise, no need to add. And I'm using more milk. I'm using this Coffee Mate, Nestle Coffee Mate. Amazing taste. Okay, fine. Now guys, Nescafe 3 in 1. Now it's ready to drink. You can make and enjoy, and hope that you will enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our video, to share and comment. Please give our suggestion. We need your feedback. If you have any suggestion for us, we will try to best. And thank you for watching.